This TTS Quick Tips video will explain the function of modules in your Canvas course and demonstrate how to create modules and add content to them. Modules are the cornerstone of Canvas courses that both organize your course content in a sequential order and give students access all in one place. One of the most common troubleshooting issues for online instructors in Canvas is students not being able to access certain content, for example, assignments, quizzes, discussions, or files. Typically, this occurs when instructors forget to put their newly created or uploaded content in a module. Even though they have saved and published their content, for example in an assignment, students will not be able to access it directly. This is because the assignment index page, like the corresponding discussion, quizzes, and file links on the course navigation, are hidden from students, as indicated by the eyeball slash icon here. Instead, students must use modules to access course content. Let's take a look at how to add an assignment to a module. After you've built out an assignment and published it, navigate to Modules on the course navigation. To create a new module, click the red Add Module button in the top right corner. Next, give your module a name. Common ways to organize your modules are by week, chapter, or unit. If you wish to lock your module until a specific date, select the Lock Until option and enter accordingly. Once you are done, click Add Module. You should now see the module. Important: a newly created module is left unpublished. In order for students to access your module and the content within, you will need to publish the module itself. To publish your module, click the Publish icon here, which will then turn green. Next, we need to add our content to the module. Click the Add Item to Module button here. From the top drop-down menu, select the type of content you wish to add. In our case, assignments. You should then see your assignment listed in the space below. Select it, then select Add Item. If you don't see your assignment on the module page, be sure to select the Expand All Modules button at the top. And that's how to add an assignment to a module. Repeat the same process for a quiz, discussion, or file by clicking the Add Item to Module button again, select the type of content from the drop-down menu, and then select your content. Click Add Item to complete. To confirm that students have access to your content, use Student View, which can be found on the course homepage. From the home page, select Student View from the right side navigation. A pink banner will appear on the bottom of your screen indicating you are currently logged into Student View. Navigate to the Modules page and confirm your modules and content are available. You may need to click Expand All Modules again. Be sure to click the Leave Student View button on the pink banner when you're done viewing as a student. And that's how to add content to a module.